The Jamaica Public Service Company and the government have vowed a zero-tolerance approach toward individuals demanding money from residents for electricity reconnections in the aftermath of Hurricane Melissa. Residents from various communities in the hard-hit parish of Westmoreland have reported that persons claiming to be JPS contractors have approached them requesting payments to restore electricity. JPS President and CEO Hugh Grant said the company has made it clear that no payment should be required for reconnections. During a tour of the power company's Incident Command Center in Westmoreland yesterday, Mr. Grant described the reports as particularly troubling given the hardships residents are already facing. He explained that investigations are often hampered by residents' reluctance to formally report incidents. He said the JPS has intensified public education and enforcement efforts, working closely with community leaders and law enforcement.